Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today Phenomenal FX Trader right here. In today's video I'll be showing you how I trade some chart patterns, how I identify them, and also trade them on boom and crash, specifically boom and crash pairs. All right, so the pairs of the patterns I will be considering in this video tutorial today is going to be the double tops, the double bottoms, and the head and shoulders pattern. That is the double top like this, double bottom, and the head and shoulders pattern, which is this. All right, these are all reversal patterns, and if you're able to spot them on time, then you enter your trade. The possibility or the probability of winning, having a winning trade is very high. All right, so let's dive into how I identify them in the market. Specifically, I use the 5-minute time frame. As you can see right here, this is the 5-minute time frame. That's 5-minute time frame. And also I have to zoom out of the market completely, kind of zoom out completely. As you can see, I've completely zoomed out of the market. The market is, I don't zoom in, I zoom out completely. Now after zooming out completely, you should be able to identify some patterns after zooming out completely. Now look at what's happening here. Look at right here, we have, I can identify double bottom here at this point. There's a double bottom there. That's a reversal pattern. And what happened? You see the price went up after forming this double bottom pattern. Price went up. So that is it for that. Then also we also have another pattern here. We have the head and shoulders pattern right here. See the head and shoulders pattern is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Guys, I wouldn't have been able to get this structure or this pattern if I did not zoom out completely. So when you zoom out completely, you will easily identify this pattern. So you won't really identify some of these patterns if you zoom out. So I advise you zoom in just like I've done, then try to identify. If maybe when I zoomed, maybe if I was on chart when the market was, maybe let's say somewhere here, one moment, when the market was at this point, maybe this point, are you following me? Then I noticed this, then I see it spiked and got to this level, then I zoom in completely, then I notice this pattern here that is formed. I will know that this is a head and shoulders pattern. Then I will wait and enter my trade. Now you can see how long it went. See, from here down here, this is the 5-minute time frame. So you can see that that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money if you notice it. And when you notice it, you can either wait for the price to break the neckline, because this is the neckline at this point. This is the neckline. If you wait for the price to break this neckline, or if you're an aggressive trader, you can enter once you notice this. Notice the price is coming down, you enter your trade. All right, so that is it. Let's go further to backtest. All right, so let's continue searching. I can see another head and shoulders pattern, the inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Let me identify it so that you can see this point here. I will have to zoom in a little so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now, all right, so this is the pattern here. Let me draw it. This is the left leg, the left shoulder. This is the head. This is something like this, that you have the inverse head and shoulder at that point. So you can enter your trade and you'll be buying boom 1000. That is, you are catching spikes with this one. If you don't want to catch spikes, you just wait until when it's at the top. And I can even see a double top right here now. Also, guys, this is a double top right here. That's a double top. That's a double top there. Then I can see another double top here. That's another double top. See, all these points I'm marking, you see after price has reacted at that point, you see it moves in the direction, it goes down. Like this one, it goes down. This one, the price goes back down. This one, the price goes up. Now look at another pattern here. This is triple top here. The price, when price got to this level, it reversed about 3 times. Oh, sorry. On getting to this level, the first time, the second time, and the third time, they keep on reversing. Then it's still going down, you see. So identifying these patterns is easy if you zoom out completely. Whether you are on boom 1000, whether you are on crash 1000, boom 500, just zoom out. Guys, this is a double bottom here again. This is a double bottom which you can use to catch spikes. Let me show you. Where it is to come out. It's another double bottom here. That's another double bottom there at that point. You see, so this thing works. Let me zoom out completely so they can see it. You see, this is not a double bottom like I showed you. You see, so that is it. Let's keep looking for more opportunities. Guys, see, I didn't even notice this one here. I have a head and shoulder. We have a head and shoulders pattern right here also. At this point, this is the left shoulder. One moment, please. Let me use smaller line. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. Sorry. This is the head. And the right shoulder. You see, it went down before going up again. So identifying this, being able to identify these patterns is a sure probability of winning trades. See, let's keep checking, guys. Look at another double bottom here. This is another double bottom here. Guys, this is a double top here. This is a double top here. Guys, this is a double top here. This is another double top here. This is a double top here, guys. Hold on. This is a double bottom here. So now, how do we identify these opportunities in the market? What you have to do is, first of all, once you open your line chart, open your chart, your chart window. What you need to do is to wait, check where the last candle reversed, the last reversal point the price got to. Like now, see what is happening here. Price got to this level. See, coming on. See, price reversed at this point and it came down up to this level. Now price got to this same level again now and it's reversing. So it can come down like this till up to this level before going back up, or it can even go further down. So what you need to do is just to identify, just check the previous swing point or the previous turning point of the market, then wait for price to approach there, check the reaction of the price at that point. Then if it reverses, then you know it reverses. Just practice first, just be monitoring, watching it first for some days in different markets and study it first, and so that you be sure. because you can't just stand up and start trading just like that because you've seen this video. It's an idea. Then you need to practice it and get used to it so that you will not lose your money, guys. So this thing works in both boom 1000 and crash 1000. All boom and crash pairs, guys. It works. So even here we can see some double bottom right here. This is a double bottom right here. Mind you, I'm just only on boom 1000 right now. This is a double bottom here. This is a double bottom here. There's a double bottom there. This is a triple top there. Sorry if I did not draw it well. So let's check for more opportunities. There are so many opportunities. Even if you are backtesting, look at this is a double top here. Now then show a switch sell. All right. Let's see. So guys, that is it. Just be able to identify them. Now I can see a head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulders pattern right here. Look at. That is it. That's a reverse head and shoulders pattern. So you must practice this first on your demo account as usual. Zoom out completely. Try to identify those chart patterns, and if you see any swing point or a previous turning point of the market, watch what happens there. What happens when price gets there. That's, in fact, that is a major secret. Watch what happens to price once it gets to a previous swing point, a previous turning point, and learn from it. That is it. All right, so let's check another pair. Maybe crash 1000. Let's crash 1000. Crash 1000. Okay. All right. I see crash 1000 here. Still on the 5-minute time frame. So let's see if we can identify some patterns here in the market. One moment. All right, so I can see a double top here. Hold on, let me use this. You can see a double top. This is a double top, and I hope you know when we say this double top, the two tops must not be at the same price level. They must not be. They can be slightly. One can be slightly ahead of the other. The two legs must not be at the same price level. All right, so let's check further. All right, so we got a double bottom here. That's a double bottom there, and here's another one. There's another one there. There's another one here. All right, so guys, I wouldn't want to make this video too long. I think we've already spent about almost 14 minutes. So I would want you to just practice these things. Practice it, and you will succeed. You don't think these things will work if you don't practice them. All strategies require practicing. So when you practice, you will discover more. You will discover more, and you will make good money. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Peace out.